What's up, guys? Another video here today. Today we're not doing a car video. Today we're just helping out my grandma in her little ranch. Not that big ranch, only like 6 acres, but she used to have goats and chickens here and cows, and it's all covered in brush and trees. So we're just trying to. I already cleared a path right here. This is covered in trees. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a little time lapse of me clearing this little area. Yeah, there's a chicken coop over there. We used to have peacocks, a lot of like cool birds and stuff, and like different breeds of roosters and chickens. But yeah, it's not that much work. I think I could do this. Yeah. And then we're trying to, I think the tractor could come in and, we're trying to get the tractor to go through the gate, but a bunch of brushes in the gate. Like we can't go through it. So now we're just, I started my own pile over there. And yeah, this is dangerous too, because man, all this shit's dry. Imagine someone lit a firework over here, this shit will burn the whole lot. Anyways, I'm gonna get started. Time for water break. I guess this will be part one. I'm gonna take this slowly. I'm not gonna record it, but this week I'm gonna try to take all this dead logs and branches to the we have a place where you could dump brush with the county. Like you just pay a membership there, and then you could throw away as many brush as you want. Yeah, this is it. I'm just gonna pack up. My dad came over to make some barbecue, and we got that big pile over there, but yeah, our first thing is to get rid of that old brush, open the gate so we could bring an actual tractor to get all this dead grass, cut it all up. And there's some trunks on the floor, but we gotta get rid of those too. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.